Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Here I created the double time greater than 12 hours. And I selected the period as daily and replaced the hours if the hours are greater than 12, and for calculation I have used daily default hours. That means now I want to create one more tag. That's the only reason. Can I use regular? Because regular is but where this default tag is being used, where from which time entry code this default tag is pulling the hours. In any of the time entry code does daily default hours, pulling the hours? I don't think. Then it will never pull and it will not work. The time entry code were the default regular hours. If you want a daily default hours to be work, then I have to create a time entry code. You need to map it in your team time entry code. Those hours will show to time entry code. What I told you, the calculation tag is linked to your time entry code. First, 1 minute. One minute. If you are using that particular time entry code, that time entry code has the default tag which you are using. Then it will look good. Then it will work. Otherwise, if the default tag is not linked with your time entry code, then what? There is no point of linking it with any other area because it will never pull the values. I have to create one time entry code now for before. Creating a time entry code. Edit, add regular hour. But regular is 8, right? It will work according to whatever we are using. Regular will have 8 only, but rest it will pass it on. I have added the text double time and regular. And one more thing is like when I go to the groups, I create double time. What I told you? Use the exact same group which is there. Like you mean USA? In and out. Give a priority. After the overtime. This priority should be after the overtime. What was the priority of overtime? It should be 12. But I have to give 13. Now enter the time. Now I have to map it. I also mapped it to the time entry template. Great job. Now enter the time under total. Oh, but I have pushed that point. Uno. She don't have. Betty Lou. Today go directly to Betty Lou. Enter 14 off. Now see how many hours would be there in the double time. It's slow. Forty. The hours are reflecting here because I selected daily as 14 hours. Now see what is the overtime. What is the time? Overtime is 10 hours and double time will be 6. Remove that Monday block. Delete that Monday block. Monday block delete. Monday block delete and Tuesday block delete. Click on that block. Monday block and Tuesday block. I was saying, not Wednesday. No worry. I haven't deleted that. Delete this. Tuesday block, delete this. It's already cleared. Just delete to Tuesday block. Double time is showing 2 hours. What time is showing? 4 hours because it's 8. Regular is 8. Add these three components. What is the total value? 12, 12, 16. It is a right break above after any 8 hours. It is going overtime. First, and after 12 hours, it is going double time. This is the one more thing is when I am adding to the time block, right? There are two categories, like one is for weekly and one is for daily. Where should I add this double time? Depends on the customer that if they want double time to be daily. This is given by the client. What is how they want to configure it? Got. Did I give you any other calculation also? Weekly. No, you haven't. Only this one. Did you configure weekly 40? 40? I think previously I did. Can you show me that weekly 40 entering time for any worker? Is it weekly more than 40 hours, right? Did you create that? Yesterday we did. Enter some hours for any worker. You want me to enter more than 40? Yes, yes, correct, correct. Can I use Sunday and Saturday? Where whatever you want to use, but this weekly 40 is for the same week. The next week is not. What does week mean? 7 day. That particular 7 days. I added more than 4. It's going over time, correct? Whenever you configure, you will also test, right? The way that we are doing right now, in real time. Do we need to create this plan and all of these negative and positive test cases and test scenarios as well? Will that be a testing team or the developer has to do all this work? The implementer. When the testing team, now we are going to learn a new calculation which is consecutive. Overtime is done. Now we will learn a new calculation which is go to your screen. Can you give me access control? I have no idea because that's what. Can you see somewhere? Because I am trying to. Go to search bar and type a create time calculation. Create time calculation. Type 7. Consecutive day calculation is the calculation. There is a consecutive day calculation. Allow rolling consecutive day. Don't check that. Don't check that. First we set after consecutive day found. Click. Consecutive day means how many cost, how many consecutive days you have worked. How many? I just in day work. Some companies they give a few work 7 days on the 7th day. If you have work, you will be get an extra money. That is known as consecutive day. Let's take an example. We have worked for 7 days. Consecutive day number is 7. Monday to Sunday. If you work on Sunday as well as you have worked on entire week, then you will get a premium. Include tax regular from your time. Enter code a regular time, enter code. Create time calculation tag consecutive day premium. 7th consecutive day. When we select like temporary checkbox, when you don't want this tag to be displayed on your calendar. Add the group. Group, first group. Your configuration is done. Now group. Only the same group. You are testing on a test employer. You will use this will be 14. The priority. This is a different calculation. You can give a different number also. This has no relation with other calculations. Now enter 2 to 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours for any week. Total week. You mean 2 hours every day for the 2 every day till Sunday. I'm deleting this. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Quick ad now. There is often a quick ad. No, it's taking much of time. I am not able to find it. Did you enter? It's very slow. It's processing very slow. I don't know why. Because of sharing or something. I need to add for Saturday and Sunday. No problem. No problem. Click. This is a custom validation. Somebody added those. Probably somebody added those. Total non-project hours are 12. Go to the 7th day. I think it should be 14. Go to the 7th day. Go to the 7th day. Click on that 7th day. Go to time card. Click on the time card. This one. The 7th day. See the calculation tag which is coming up. View detail. Calculate. 1 minute searching. It's very slow. No problem. Seven consecutive. Correct? You got it. Basically, when we use this in real time, we use in every real time that whenever an employee is working more than 6 day or 7 day, the company gives up extra money. And that extra money is sent to the payroll by this tag. This is also all the calculations which are there in the tenant are used in real time. We need to add it to the earnings. This, everything. If it is need to pay, go to pickup. If you're using Workday, then you will add this at the employee level or employee profile level or to the earnings. This would be a tag which is being used. There is no employee profile level. There is always wage code and your tag. Wage code, company and tag. If it is external payroll, then it would be mapped to that particular wage code and will get picked by the copper page integration. Alright, this is one of the calculation that you need. The reason behind your total, your regular hours is coming to us because it has captured all the regular hours, but on the 7th day it captured the 7 consecutive day tag which is not mapped in your template. You want to map it? You can map it as a overtime. Under totals, I have to map it as overtime. Then already I have overtime, right? Take it as 7 consecutive days overtime. Good job. You know now the passport to do. Here, you want me to add them. What are these totals? Just for the labels that you see. Don't add on a total 5. We remove that. Remove that. Remove that. Remove that total itself. That the whole row itself. Add it under the overtime label. Overtime bucket, total 1. Overtime bucket, row number 1. Add your tag 7. Overtime. 7 consecutive days. Which one is yours? I mean, both are working. Add both of them. Should I just? The label will be overtime. Click refresh the screen. What time is 2 hours? Concept clear. Why 2 hours? Because we gave the regular that. Regular time as well. In double time, that's why it should be 8, right? Regular should be 8. 1 minute? No, it should be 10. No, why? No, I am just trying to understand, like we added 2 hours every day. I got the remaining 2 hours, 14, total 14. The remaining 2 went to overtime. 7 consecutive. You are looking at the daily overtime. Maybe I got confused with that. The last, whatever we added in Sunday, took us overtime. Alright? Alright, sounds good. What else now? You have done 2 calculations. Now let's do something for homework. Go to create time calculation. 1 minute search. Go to calculation type. There would be a shift differential. Read it and create a shift differential calculation. Easy calculation, very easy calculation. I'm not going to guide you. but I want you to just try it. If you don't able to figure it out, then I'll help you. One is this, and then the next is go to the next calculation. Minimum weekly hours. That could be anything, right? I'd only 40 hours you are mentioning. Whatever you want. Until your client doesn't give you the requirement, you can do whatever you want. These are the two calculations which are you going to create. This is your two tasks. You can do one thing. We can create minimum weekly hours calculation right now. Type your type test, minimum weekly hours calculation. No problem. Add minimum hours 40. Go to include time calculation tag. English is game. Include. I did not. Why you want to like system doesn't know. I thought like can I add? Listen, this is the core concept. Your time entry code has a default tag. Correct. Whatever hours you are entering for the entire week is getting flown to which tag? Reg. If you want to create another calculation tag and map it over there, it is your call. Or if you want to have your own time entry code and different tags for that, it is your call. First of all, I need to create a tag, a time in Jacob, then I can map it here. I mean the code and time, and the code has a tag. Default tag is there. It can hold how many hours it can. But what calculations you're making? The calculations are extracting the hours from that particular tag, correct? That tag is used in your time entry code, correct? This is how they are connected. When we are continuing all these things right like the implementation. Can we use this multiple regular tags? Because we are deleting it. The one regular tag can be used in any number of time entry codes, any number of people, any number of population. There will be no mismatch because your time code group or time calculation group is different. It has no delete tag. Remove that. Correct. Go and add group. It has related to any of these things like our sun. No, it is independent. Go to Betty Lou, go to the next week and run the calculation. Just run the class, run call, that's all. Go to your Betty Lou, go to next week, run calculation and see what is happening. Did you see the magic? This is an indicator which will give an employee an idea about how many hours he left. This worker has to work more 28 hours. In order to use those minimum. Then the block will vanish automatically without running the calculation right, you mean. We run calculation only it will be. How long? If we add more of us, it will be automatically got. Correct? Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.